All right, so if you have one of these blink doorbells here, when your battery starts to go dead, you'll notice that this LED ring right here, it'll flash red on the top. Your app will not tell you, or at least it didn't tell me, that the battery was going dead. So I'm gonna show you how to remove the camera, and you're gonna need this little tool here. This came with the blink doorbell when you bought it. All right, so all you do is you press up inside of this little hole on the bottom right here with the tool, and then the doorbell pops right off. Now make sure when you go to replace the batteries that you're using something similar to these Energizer Ultimate Lithium so they last for the entire year.